Ibutang diridaan. Ang pare So, I gave you CLN slip-ons, but honestly, that's something material, and in the next 2 to 3 years, pulaan siguro car, it's gonna wear out, right? So, I'm gonna give you my real gift, and I feel like as your auntie, a generation ahead of you, the best gift is to give you advice na madala mo until adulthood. Okay? Kanang advice na mo, madala na mo bisag asa ka ng mga butang, it's gonna wear out. So my advice to you is, nag-ask ko nila, what does Melay want to be? And then, gingon sila, basig tourism, so maybe flight attendant, or maybe nurse, So I want you to imagine that in your head. And I want you to picture yourself. May mauna, si Carmela, nurse, flight attendant. And every little decision you make every day, make it in a way nga kaning tanan akong buhaton padung na dito. Every little decision you make, always make sure na dito na padung. So that's my advice to you. Welcome to adulthood and make good decisions. Love you.